Welcome to Sleep Learning ASMR. Today we will listen to a simple English conversation. You can relax and learn at the same time. No pressure, just listen and enjoy. Let's begin. Good morning. How did you sleep last night? Good morning. I slept very well. I feel relaxed today. That's nice to hear. Did you have any dreams? Yes, I had a peaceful dream. It made me happy. What will you do today? First, I will brush my teeth. Then, I will drink some water. After that, I will have breakfast. What do you eat for breakfast? I like breads and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruits and also drink tea. That sounds healthy. Do you go to work today? Yes, I will have at 9 o'clock. I will take the bus. Have a nice day. Take care. Thank you. You too. Welcome back home. How was your day? It was a little busy, but I am fine now. Are you tired? Yes, I feel tired. I want to sleep. You should sit down, drink some water, and rest. That is a good idea. Thank you. What will you eat for dinner? I will eat rice and vegetables. Then I will drink warm milk. After dinner, what will you do? I will watch something calm. Then I will go to bed early. Sleep is important. Good sleep makes you healthy. Yes, I love peaceful sleep. Now, close your eyes. Relax your mind. Relax your body. listening. If you enjoy this calm conversation, subscribe to Sleep Learning ASMR.